trouble in paradise. On the bark of the mighty banyan trees, inscriptions of a hurting native soul send shivers down your spine. Near a high-end eatery, a homeless man lies in deep sleep, covered with a blanket. On the sidewalk of the famous Honolulu Strip, an elderly woman walks with all her life's possession in a shopping cart. In the most prestigious hotel works a single mother, barely getting by, yet smiles so sweetly. In the most pristine ancient forest, tourists toss trash with little regard. At a beautifully landscaped intersection, cars wait for traffic light to turn green, while a beggar on a wheelchair with his head bowed down, holding a sign that reads, "Iraqi war veteran, please help." The massive, spectacular waves cannot talk. If they could, they would tell stories of how many took their very last breath, seeking the thrill of just being in the waves. Mountains higher than skyscrapers stand tall, allowing only few to reach their peak. Others were not so fortunate. Yes, my friends, even in paradise, there is trouble.